Mew Mew, let's shop at the supermarket together.
Sounds great! I am ready to shop at the supermarket. What should we get?
Check out the shopping list. We need to buy these.
Some items are not bought yet.
We don't need to buy these items. Cake section. What kind of cake do you like?
Toys section. I'd like to have this toy. Clothes section. What kind of outfit and shoes would you like? I like this one. It fits you perfectly.
Hello, please put your items on the counter.
Clothes.
Cake. Small ball.
Shoes.
How would you like to pay?
Cash.
Thank you very much. It's more environmentally friendly to take your own shopping bag when shopping at the Super Honey. Thanks for your help.
Mew Mew, here we are at the supermarket. Great! I love shopping at the supermarket. Bags should be put in the locker first and can't be taken to the supermarket. Ready to shop at the supermarket. What should we get? Come and have a look. Remember to buy these items. What should we get first? Snack section. Wow, there are so many snacks. I'd like to have these. Fruit and vegetable section. Let's check out the fruits. Broccoli. Broccoli. Should I tap to weigh fruits and vegetables. All done! You're great! We don't need to buy these items. We don't need to buy these items. Cosmetics section. What kind of cosmetics do you need? This one looks nice. I want to get one. You can try the colors on my face. We don't need to buy these items. We don't need to buy these items. We don't need to buy these items. Fish section. We need to buy these fish. Where are they? Let's catch them. Correct. Correct. Wrong one. Awesome. We've got everything we need. Let's check out. Hello, please put your eyeshadow. Bread. Biscuit. Broccoli. Fish.
How would you like to pay?
Mobile payment.
Wow, you've bought a lot of products. Here's a lucky draw ticket for you. Thank you very much. I hope you can win a big prize.
A group of kitten elves live in the mysterious magic forest. The kitten elves are happily playing on trampoline and having delicious food in the forest. Let's take care of kitten elves. Wow! Kitten elves are born! Let's feed them! The first day for taking care of kitten elves. You can get rewards by taking care of kitten elves every day. The kitten elves want to play with more friends. Let's get a few more kitten elves with the breeding machine. Be patient. The kitten elf is about to be born.
Wow!